Hi everyone, how are you all? So just we are going to start this video that how can you make the thumbnails for YouTube, and this video is especially for those people those who not know that how can we make the thumbnails and जिनका अभी अभी जो है आपका अभी अभी जो है यूट्यूब चैनल बना है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट वरी बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ वेरी वाटर फ्री मार्क thumbnail making app, and it's really good works, so you can download it very easily and you can make the thumbnails. So I hope that you understood my today's introduction of this video. So now okay, let's start it. Okay, चलिए guys, तो सबसे आपको क्या करना है, first you have to just open your play store. So in iPhone it will be App Store, and in Android it will be Play Store. But actually, I want to tell you that I have a Samsung mobile and I'm recording with it only. So I have Galaxy Store. So if you have Samsung Galaxy phone, so just open Galaxy Store. It will be more good for you. Okay, open Galaxy Store and then go on search apps. When you will go there, then search there pics, search the pics, and this let me show you, just wait. Pics, yes, pics. You will write this pics, then this pics art option will automatically come to you. So now what you have to do is you have to install this app. Okay, so you have to go on install button and it will be completing installing in 5 to 10 minutes only, and you can wait for it. Okay, now once you did it, then click on open button, and then further I'll tell you in 2 minutes. Okay, yes. So here it's open and no need to sign in. Okay, click on skip only. There is no need to sign in, but if you have to post a video or a photo related to it, so you can sign up for that. Okay, but there is nothing, there are not many people on this PixArt, so there is no need, because many people are signing in because of the followers and likes. But here in PixArt, most probably 20 to 15 must be people are there. They not sign in, but they use it non sign in. Okay, so now click here edit a photo, and then you can click on the background option. Once you click on the background option, then what you have to do is you have to take a color, or you can take the backgrounds. But here one problem is there, that it will be pro, like I must click in this one, so it will come like it is pro, like this, it's pro. So no need of it, because हमें background choose नहीं करेंगे हम. जैसे आप free backgrounds में भी जाते हैं, इसमें may भी लग जाए, but you can close it. Okay, so you can choose any of it, but in the thumbnail the best thing is that you choose the light colors. Okay, so I have taken pink color there and just cross it, and you can use the pink color. Okay, if available, and you can use any color, it's not necessary that you have to take pink color only. And one thing, it's very much clear to you, I'm reminding you always that use PixArt for YouTube thumbnail only. It will be very premier, like you mean you will get many likes and subscribers in your YouTube channel. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to convert this ratio into your YouTube thumbnail ratio. So what you have to do is you can click on fit option. Okay, once you click on fit option, then there is an option of color, and beside color there is an option of ratio. So you just scroll it, and then you click on YouTube, and then image, and this full one, choose this full one at 100. Okay, don't choose any background because it will invalid only. अगर आप background choose करते हैं तो उसमें invalid आएगा आपका. So that's why choose the color only for the backgrounds and click on tick button. Okay, it means okay button, and then click on add photo button and select your photo. So my photo is this, and I am adding it. Zoom it and just click on cutout option. then click on person. Once you click on person, it will start loading, and this reddish color will be telling you that how your picture will be appearing. So now go on preview button, so that you must know. So this is a preview, and now click on yes, this button, and here your background will be changed. Okay, this is the best app for background changing, picture background changing also. So our next video is in this only, so I'll tell you the more feature of PicsArt in that video. But first, right now we are doing thumbnail video, so let us do that only. Now click on OK button, or you can say click on tick button, and then you can write text here. And now type how to create thumbnails for YouTube. Okay, now once you click it here, then you can see that it's very much big. So you can, what you can do is you can cut it. थोड़ा बहुत आप इसे कट कर सकते हैं, and it will, if it's not, then you can cut and then fix it. Okay, once you did it, select the color or gradient or whatever you want, and select the green color there, or whatever color you want. Okay, let me, yes, this color. So it will very like it will be very suitable for your thumbnail. Okay, whatever color you can choose there. Okay, yes, and then you can take the fonts also, and where the this held one is coming, don't choose that one, because saying for the it will be saying for the this thumbnail like pro one, so it's not it will be invalid there. Now fix it and put it here as this. Okay, yes, now click on tick button, and then you must go on add photo, and you can take any photo what you want. Yes, click on frame option and click any frame, like I am clicking this frame. And if you want, then you can click, but in your thumbnail this frame may not work really good. So what you can do is you can click on add photo, and then you can search here search option, and you can search here borders. So when you will do this, so one option will be appearing for you is, and you can choose anything. Okay guys, yes, you can choose this one and add it, because whatever like you want now, you can add it. There is no like no hurry ना कि आपको यही करना है. There is nothing like that. Just crop it so that वो ज़्यादा गंदा ना लगे. Crop it and click on tick button. Now when you click it, hopefully it will be like this, but if it's not good for you, you can simply click on cross, and then click on click on text and click on PicsArt. Using PicsArt 5 minutes work. Okay, now what you have to do is just keep it till there here, so that it will be not like too much of pressure for you, and click on texture. Like when you do this, so it will like this, so you can just do very compatibly. Yeah, this is better. Okay, or you can choose gradient also for it, like I'm choosing here, I'm choosing red color, and here I'm choosing orange color. So this is a mixture, or some you can say now that's a gradient hote hain. So you can say that also, and click on sticker button, and you can take anything here. Okay, like today is Tuesday, so you can take Tuesday and put it here. Okay, and click on tick button. So this is your thumbnail, and there is no watermark. You can just save it Bye bye. Thank you. If any problem, you can comment below. I'll telling you, and the link of this app is also in the description box, so you can see from there also. Okay, and bye bye. Tata. Thank you.